Hey guys, welcome back for another episode of short tech news episodes, and in this video we have two exciting short news. If you're new on the channel, please make sure you subscribe, hit the bell icon so you get notifications whenever I post a video. I make tech videos every single day, so if you're into tech, I recommend you to subscribe. And yeah, without any further ado, let's get right into the video. The first news is from Jio. A Jio's Wi-Fi Mesh Router has been surfacing on the web along with its proposed price and dimensions. This new development comes after the testing of a mesh network based offering of internet from the Jio in India. This router has been designed by a Karnataka based manufacturer, that is the Neolink Electronics, and is likely to work with separate mesh nodes to enhance the internet availability and internet connectivity. Jio Fiber customers may be getting better and new broadband plans because of this mesh network system. So the price of this router around the web has been claimed to be 2,499 rupees, but yet there is no official announcement from the Jio. We're quite certain that the price of this router is gonna be above 2,000 and below 3,000 because it was listed in Electronic Affairs website that was backed by the government of India. The second news is from the Samsung, and this is about the Samsung Galaxy M51. So this mid-range smartphone, the new M51, is going to be launching in India in the mid-September, and a tipster has also revealed the pricing of this phone. So this phone, the M51, has been going around and creating rumors that this phone is going to be coming with a 7,000 mAh battery. And if this happens, this Samsung M51 is going to be the biggest battery capacity phone available in India. Samsung initially planned on launching this phone in July, that is the M51, but it did not happen, so they postponed the original planned launch to September because there were some issues that were happening in the manufacturing units. Enough about the launching date of this phone. Now let's talk some specifications of this phone. The Samsung Galaxy M51 is gonna be coming with a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display. It is rumored that it is gonna be coming with an octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 730 processor. It is gonna be coming with a minimum of 8 GB of RAM, and as you already mentioned, it's gonna be coming with a 7,000 mAh battery. It is rumored, but it may come with a 7,000 mAh battery and 25-watt fast charging support. So the price of this phone is expected to be around 25 to 30,000. So this is gonna be competing against the OnePlus Nord, and if this comes with 7,000 mAh battery, a lot of people who are going to buy and who already bought OnePlus Nord are going to be regretting because it's going to be coming with a 7,000 mAh battery. The camera on this phone is rumored to be coming with a triple camera setup in the back. So the main camera, the primary camera, is going to be coming with a 64 megapixels, but we're not quite sure about the remaining two cameras. This was all we could get to know about the Samsung Galaxy M51, and if we get to know anything more, we will get back to you and let you know in my YouTube channel. So please make sure you subscribe, hit like. So this was a small tech news episode, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed it making this video for you guys. So if you're new on this channel, please make sure you subscribe, hit the bell icon so you get notifications whenever I post a video. If you did like this video, leave a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and thank you for watching. My name is Gaurav, and I'll see you guys in the next video.